BTC Reaper. My goal on this channel is to teach you how to reap the rewards of trading, whether the price is going up or down. Over on total for the daily, we did reject our rising channel that was on those lower time frames, and VWAP is pulling back. Momentum is dropping. We have a double red dot suggesting that it does want to continue lower. Our money flow is starting to pull back, so I would exercise caution here. And by the way, tonight's video is going to be short. We're just going to cover Bitcoin in total because remember, total leads all of the altcoins. We have a lot going on today, so unfortunately I can't do the full extent today, but hopefully I will be able to tomorrow. We do have consistent lows with lower highs here, so the bears are failing to push us below the support level. That is positive because we want to hold this and continue forward from here, but I would watch that VWAP. Our VWAP does have a lower low, our momentum has a lower low, and money flow is breaking into the red. If that VWAP does not reverse in the next few candles, then we could see that lower scenario, and we may kick off a bearish trend to potentially retest our Fibonacci level if we don't meet some support soon. So over on futures, we did kind of fall into our gap. We don't really have a candle body filling the gap, but we did get one the other day. So this is showing that that gap area is still carrying some weight on us because we can't leave it. Now, VWAP is starting to favor a little bearish, so I would watch this one day. If the 1 hour starts to weaken, then the daily could end up reversing. Over on the 1 hour, we have a lot of consolidation going on, so we have built a solid support. We need to leave it now. If we don't leave this support soon, then I'd say the bulls are going to end up getting rejected and bears would step in. That's where we may see that lower gap fill, possibly around that 97K. Our VWAP is starting to push down, momentum wants to round, but we have a green dot as that VWAP is trying to make a bounce. If that VWAP can stay bullish, then momentum will continue forward, money flow can remain green, and higher time frames can push up. But if we start seeing some lower highs and lower lows from here, I would exercise caution. Now, last but not least, remember we're going to be short today over on Bitcoin for the daily. We are pretty flat here overall. Money flow does have bearish divergence. Stochastic is pulling back. Our VWAP is pulling back. Our money flow is starting to weaken due to VWAP and momentum starting to pull back. So if we look here at the 1 hour, we did try to break that Fibonacci level, but we were unsuccessful in getting a break of that Fibonacci. We did make a slightly higher high, so if we can carve this out as a higher low, we could still have that bullish trend to push us to the 106K we mentioned this morning. But if that VWAP rejects here and we see a lower high, then momentum will start to weaken, money flow will pull back, and we have that potential for a lower low, at which point, if we don't meet support around that 98, 99K level, that's where we could fall into that 92, 90K area, and then if we do not hold that, that's where we could have a slippery slope from there. Thank you for watching tonight's video. I hope you have a great night. Hit the like and subscribe, and join us in the Discord.